I posted a video earlier about hot foil and 3D prints, and a couple of people haven't heard of this before. I haven't really heard of it before just recently, so I've never even thought of it until I saw the kit in the local dollar store. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot foil this Autobot symbol with this colorful rainbow silver chrome looking hot foil transfer. And I'm not going to use the tool because it's a very small tip. It would take forever. I'm going to use a putty knife, and I'm going to use a heat gun. I'm going to heat up the putty knife, and I'm going to transfer the foil to the Autobot symbol. Now, I haven't done any special prep work to this 3D printed part, so any imperfections in it will show through the foil, but that's not the purpose of this video. This video is just to show the application of the hot foil to the 3D printed part. For curved surfaces, I'm not sure how you would do that. It would require probably a similar technique, but with a lot more patience to do it. So I'm going to take this, get a piece of it off here that would fit the Autobot symbol, and I'm going to cut it just there. And let's see, that should be just fine. And I'm going to do one side, I'm going to flip it and do the other side. So we're going to turn the heat gun on. Just need it at medium. You don't need ridiculous heat. I'm not sure the exact temperature. I didn't read the instructions for the hot foil transfer sheet. I just get the putty knife evenly heated. And then I come and I apply pressure and I work my way across the part. Go back to heat the putty knife up again if I need to, as required. Nice and slow. You'll start seeing the Autobot symbol come through a little bit here as the foil starts to properly stick. Flip it around. You can easily scratch the foil, so you don't want to rush this. Flip it one more time. I'm going to do one more here. Touch that corner there. I don't have any red foil, or I would have tried this in red. The kit that I bought didn't come with red. I'm sure you can find this stuff on Amazon. I'll just do this corner here and this corner here to make sure they're done properly. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, let's take this corner, peel this off. Well, somewhat of a success. We've got some areas down here and up here where it didn't quite take. But you know what? There's no ruining this, because all you have to do is put an area of the foil back on that didn't transfer, that you still have on the sheet. And you can go over it again. So we'll do up here. Just keep that on the hot. Okay. So we still have here and here to do, but you get the idea. Look, for the areas you've missed, you can just keep going over like so. We've missed the chin right there. Let's take some foil. And we missed this area, so let's take an area of the foil that we haven't transferred. Let's see if that worked. Okay, so we have got all the chin now. And we're just missing up here. We'll do that now. We'll take an area of the foil right there. Heat the putty knife up. Come along. There we go. So we've got that there now. Look at that. Hot foil transfers. So instead of painting that, and this one with the rainbow design is really nice because I don't see a whole lot of the flaws in the 3D print. Again, I could probably go over this again with another section of the foil transfer just to get in the little areas that I missed. But this is just to illustrate how this works and show off the results. So if you're 3D printing yourself some Decepticon and Autobot symbols, and I'm pretty sure there's all kinds of designs online that you could buy, that you could transfer. I just don't know how it would go on a curved surface. I think it'll just take a little bit more patience and effort, but you got your white PLA filament, and now it looks like this side has been vac metal, but it's just foil transfer sheet. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this was informative.